I want to conclude this lesson with some common phrases with modal verbs that you can use to sound even more natural when making requests at work. First up, we have the phrase, "Would you mind?" When requesting permission, we use the structure, "Would you mind?" plus if I plus the past simple, like we have here in this example, "Would you mind if I took a break?" If we're requesting something from others, then we'll use the structure, "Would you mind?" plus the gerund. The gerund is the ing form of the verb. For example, "Would you mind rescheduling our meeting?" Rescheduling is the gerund or the ing form of the base verb reschedule. Next up, we have the phrase, "Would it be possible?" to make polite requests. The structure we'll use for requesting permission is, "Would it be possible?" plus "for me to" plus the base form of the verb, as used in the example, "Would it be possible for me to take a break?" When you're using "would it be possible" to request something from others, we'll use the structure, "Would it be possible?" plus "for you to" plus the base form of the verb, like we see in this example, "Would it be possible for you to read the report?"